Ladies and gentlemen, what the hell is wrong with me? I know, I thought that too, and I don't actually know. But FL Studio just released a new beta update, and it's pretty cool. So I will show you. And if you stick to the end, I will make the move. So you may be like, okay, no fucking way FL Studio released an update that's actually worth paying attention to. But yeah, they did, and this is, well, really have to ask yourself, why would you use FL Studio and why would you buy FL Studio to use this feature and then use another DAW, right? I don't actually know. Probably you could pay for like an app that you could use. But if you have FL Studio and you have other DAW, you can then use FL Studio to pull up this thing into your main DAW, which is for sure better than this. They added a chord generator to it, and I hate to admit, but it's pretty cool. Oh, why is it so laggy? This is what it generated. So you generate a chord progression. Oh, hold on, let me make that. Yeah, let me get the hell out of here. Let me make that faster. Like that. Go create, generate, play. And you'd be like, that kind of sucks. So we can go here, random. And that's better. This is like the progression. I think it adds a certain feel to it. And that's great because you can be like, okay, so I'm making a song and I want a triumphant kind of feeling. Pick it. And it's like you want something, but you can randomize, pick one of those, more adventurous, click regenerate. Bro, you missed some notes. And then randomize this again. That's kind of better, not the greatest. And then we can go into the rhythm. That's pretty cool, actually. You can also type, but what's the point? You're gonna generate, that's the whole point. There you have more options. I don't even actually know if this uses AI, honestly. It seems like it doesn't. But you can regenerate a particular chord. You can't play from this, come on. Okay, I'll wait. Oh, hell no. This is too complicated. I don't know what that is. I'm advanced. I'm not advanced. Just make everything 100%. Yeah, 100%. Well, that's nice. And presets and then generate. Change the rhythm too. Are you kidding me? This is bullshit. That's okay. Let's maybe say I want to have a grand, but also for grand we need to change the sound. Oh, you cannot change the sound right now. I guess it would be too much for FL Studio to handle. Come on. Yeah, let's see what the sound is. Okay, we just need to hit. That's all you got? Only two? Honestly, I don't know why it's choosing this. What I want is... That's pretty okay. Yeah, go like this. I would say this is pretty good. So what you can do with this is file, export as MIDI file, put it like somewhere, and then open Ableton, pull that up into Ableton, just like that, ladies and gentlemen. And then you can pull up anything that you want, anything that you desire right here on Log Lab. Hey, I can play back whatever I want. Oh, okay, that actually sounds good. So then, what's happening? Repeat, bro, repeat after this. Oh my god, you cannot change anything. Okay, then generate with a different feel. Let's go maybe a feel of celestial. Yep, that's great. Serene. Bittersweet. Okay, that's interesting. Soulful. That's like all over the place. How about hopeful? That's pretty hopeful. How about, okay, so can I like do more complexity? How conventional and then go, oh, so there are different, oh, okay. How about this? No, that's no. Sophisticated. Okay, this one, I like this one. Except that is exactly what you can do. You can do this. You can then put that into Ableton and you can just make a song, you know? As I promised, I will show you them moving, no problemo. Here you go. Enjoy. So, FL Studio introduced new thing like this. May be interesting to you if you are an FL Studio enthusiast, which is totally nothing wrong with that. FL Studio is a great DAW. I mean it. I'm not joking. I'm not being sarcastic. Nothing like that. Totally worth going there. I mean, if I'm being honest, I might be going there to pull up some cool MIDIs into Ableton, but I will not make anything in FL Studio. I am not crazy. Let me know if it's revolutionary. You can certainly do generate chords if you don't know music theory, and they can sound great. So I mean, this is a good feature. I honestly, without joking, without anything, I actually like it, and I might be actually using it. But again, I will not make a song in FL Studio. No way. You will torture me, and I will not make a song in FL Studio. No way. I tried. It was a disaster. I wanted to kill myself. And so that's it. Check out oversimple.us for these things. The newest sample pack sound enhancers will help you enhance your sounds, sections, and ultimately songs with a lot of ear candy like sounds and details and all other different ear candies enhancers. So that's it. See you soon. Have a great day.